Hello guys, again, this is my part 2, yung aming pagpunta sa Pigeon Rock. Kung makikita po ninyo guys, yan, yung nadaanan po namin, yung ating mga companions, relatives, ni Lebanese guys, at naglalaro sila. And then we are here now, the stand of the street, waiting my friend. Kasi yung kasama ko ay nakabike, kaya medyo advantage yung kanyang bilis sa patakbo guys. Yun guys, bali po pala, napahinto muna kami at nagpahinga dito. And then we found two dogs. The one I think is Pitbull, and then from the right, some of companions swimming. Ang cute nila guys, no? Yan. Bali ano yan siya guys, Pitbull. So, yan. So kung mapapansin nyo, nagtatawol sila. At dati dumadaan kami dito ay wala naman yan sila. And now, we found with tending. Ayun po yung mga kababayan natin na nanililiko. Yan, kumakaway. Nakita nila ako guys na nagbi-video. So they raised their hands and saying hello. Medyo hindi naman kalakihan yung alon at ayan yung mga kasama nila with their cousin, relatives, family na talagang they are enjoying the beauty of shore here. Ayan guys, continuation, we are here now, the Ferris wheel. So kung sino man po yung mga nakasakay sa ganito ay yung likod po na yan guys ay malapit na po kami sa aming destination, yung Pigeon Rocks. So once again guys, thank you for watching my video. I think full memory at konting lakad na lang at we are reaching my target place, the Pigeon Rock. So ayan na pala yung kasama ko guys at my back. At puputulin ko muna yung video guys kasi full memory na yung aking phone. And then see you again guys for my third video. Bye bye.